my faves. Yes, it's me. It's your girl, Simply K.Simone. Y'all know it's me. Oh, let me not disrespect y'all like that. It's Simply K.Simone. And this is going to be a cooking video. Listen, I had just an easy bit of Dippin' Dash sauce from Flavas by Dame Dash. And I had to. When I mean had to try something else with it. And it was brunch time and I was starving. So we made what, y'all? Shrimp and grits. And when I tell you these things came out absolutely delicious. They came out absolutely delicious. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you at the end. Peace and blessings, you all. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those bell notifications and make them what? Yeah. Ring, ring, ring. I love y'all. See y'all later. All right, y'all, let's get to cooking. I put that Dame Dash Dippin' Dash sauce in a nice hot skillet. I got my prawns ready. I just went on ahead and butterflied them things with some Creole seasoning first. You want to make sure that your butterflies are seasoned on the top first, because we're going to put the butterfly down when we saute them. And then next up, we're going to get into some cayenne pepper. Yes, just a little bit, because I was sharing, and even though I like heat, everybody don't like heat. Next up, we're gonna do some what? Lemon pepper. Absolutely, I love me some lemon pepper. Goes well with this shrimp chow. Yes, hunte. All right, paprika is up next, and I know you guys are thinking that this is a lot of seasonings, but trust me, it's not. And then some good old black pepper. Yes, make sure you coat it evenly. Get in that butterfly. Open them up if you need to. And then lastly, we're going to get into some garlic. I cannot stress enough how much this garlic makes this dish. So let's go ahead and put them in that Dippin' Dash butter sauce. Like I said, butterfly down so that part, the thickness of it, can cook first. You want to keep this on medium heat, because it is butter, real butter, and you know that it will burn. So make sure you guys just push them down. Make sure that they're all the way flat on the surface so they can cook evenly. Hear that sizzle, child? Yes, honey. And I do top them off with a little bit more extra seasoning, because of course, remember, the backside did not get any seasoning, but we don't want to over season, because the oil inside of the pan is that Dippin' Dash butter sauce, and it's already seasoned. So flip them over, and there you go. That's a finished product, y'all. All right, so let's get into making these grits, child. Yes. So we're gonna start with 4 cups of water, a little bit of salt, and you want to use as much as you want to with your salt. Sometimes if you don't want to use salt, you don't have to. Make sure that water comes to an angry boil. Now, I use the quick grits, just a 5-minute quick grit with this recipe. And I'm going to add my grits, y'all, into that roaring water. And then you want to whisk, so you don't get any clunky grits. Don't nobody want no clunky, chunky grits, y'all. So, yes, make sure you whisk it really, really good until it comes back up to a boil. And then we're going to let that simmer, you guys, for a little bit. Cover it up, put it on low. Unfortunately, I didn't show that part. So for the last 2 minutes, we're going to put in our butter. I put in a little black pepper. I put in about 1/4 cup of milk. Stir it a little bit. And then we're going to add some mild cheddar cheese. Yes, add some mild cheddar cheese. Use that same whisk and stir it in. Stir it in, y'all. Stir it in, y'all. And then at this point, I did also add a little bit more butter and a little bit more milk, just to make sure that it was nice and creamy, you guys. All right, and as you can see, I did add a little bit more black pepper. We're getting it incorporated really good. And I also already added some parsley and some garlic. And voila, y'all, there's my finished product. You got you some Dame Dash Dippin' Dash sauce, shrimp and grits. You guys, I hope you had an amazing time watching this video. Go ahead and try it. If you have any more Dippin Dash butter sauce left, try and use it. It was amazing with this meal. If you like it, make sure you tell me in the comments. Just make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications. I love you guys. Peace.